Hello, Miss Era, and all of my friends who watch this video. Good evening. So here we are from Group 5. We will present about our business plan regarding the course entrepreneurship. So next slide, Renal. So this is our group member. Our group member consists of 3 people. The first is Kadek Krisna Wijaya, and then second is Putu Renal Ridana Pratama, and last is me, Inyoman Satya Surya Adidharma. The first, I will explain about the executive summary. In Indonesia, English is second language, and in Indonesia, there are not many people who are really fluency in using English. English in Indonesia is considered as a difficult language. Our business idea is start from the emergency of ideas to make English learning facilities that interactive and fun, and also far from the word boring and difficult. And we also think that is very necessary for English to be learned from the early age, for example, from preschool and kindergarten age. So we from the Hello World company thought of a children activity book in the era of 2000s were in the form of sticker collection book, where when the book is fully, they can be exchanged for the gift. Based on that background, arise the desire for us to revive a children's activity books in form of sticker collection books combined with it in the early age. For the next about company description will be explained by Krishna.
Okay, thank you, Satya, for the time given to me. So in this slide, I will explain about company description of Hello World. Hello World is a company that focus on making a product in form of the activity book that can help beginner English learner to learn and enrich their knowledge in English in a more interactive and fun way that is far from wordboardism. From on February 22, 2022, we are consist of 3 people has a mission to tell parents and also learner that just beginning to learn English. English is not scary. There is a way to learn English more interactive and far from wordboardism and difficult. Next, where we can be found Hello World. Hello World company can be found in first in Instagram at Hello World, and also can be found in e-commerce such as Shopee. It means Hello World _ and in WhatsApp it's coming soon. Next, Renal. Next, I will explain about the company logo. In the company logo, we have 3 boys. Hello World and word or earth. So the first I will explain about 3 people or 3 boys. It's mean reflect the 3 of us founder of the Hello World company who work together, help each other, and are responsible for achieving in a goal in this entrepreneurship course to launch a product that is beneficial for the education sector. The second one is earth or word. It represents something wide and universal. It means we in Hello World want to explore the world further and wider in the hope our product also can go wider and further. The last one is Hello World, meaning it was our greeting to all English learner in wherever they are. So overall, the meaning of our logo is to represent 3 boys that greet all the English learner wherever they are, invite them to widen their knowledge as a learner and increase their English by learner from our product, which is a book. Next, Renal. Okay, in this slide is I will explain the team and business structure. Our team are consist of 3 members. In the business structure in our business, there are 3 positions, namely the first one is me, Kadek Krisna Wijaya, as a treasurer. And the second one is my partner Putu Renal Ridana Pratama as a secretary. And the last one is Inyoman Satya Surya Adidharma as a chairman, also designer of the product. Next, Renal. Okay, next I will explain about the market analysis. First, target market. Since our product is an activity book in form of sticker collecting book, the target market that is suitable for our product. It's preschool kids and kindergarten kids. And kindergarten kids teacher as their learning material, but we are also targeting beginner English learner in elementary school or maybe first year of junior high school. The second one is market segment. In terms of geography, we will be targeting in city of Singaraja and also all over Indonesia since we also sell it online. Next, Rena. And the slide, I will explain about the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. And the first one is strength. The product is an activity book that can be used not just by kids, but also by kindergarten teacher for their learning material, because a lot of kindergarten now are learning English also. And the weakness, so far there is no definite or certain cost for the production or printing of the book. And the opportunities, so far there is no really similar product or activity book that can be found in the company area or environment. And in trade, better activity book that not just provide pastel sticker on the book, but any other activities such as coloring, drawing, and etc. And the other strength is the product are interactive, not just learn about vocabulary. From this book, kid also can do activity which is faster the sticker to the book, and this is good for kids development and learning process. And the weakness is lack of reputation. Business is still in the work. The opportunity is the product is target kids who is easy to get distracted by colorful and interesting picture. And the last is threats. The other activity book brand may be cheaper because we still new and maybe the cost is middle to high. So that's all about my explanation about SWOT analysis. So next slide will be explained by Renal. Renal, it's your time.
Okay, Tommy, thank you for the time. So here I will explain about the product and service. So in this business, we from the Hello World team sell 2 items, namely books and stickers. The books we sell are activity books for kids, which is a sticker collecting books about fruit, vegetable, animals, and etc. About the pictures, it is the English name, and under that is the translation in Indonesia. Then the second one is sticker. The sticker we sell are sticker about what is consists in the book, like fruit, animals, and others. So here we aim to sell books with blank image, and then later the kids' activity is they will be filled the blank space with sticker that match the exciting image. After that, kids will see the English names of that stuff, and then under that the Indonesian names. Later, if someone managed to fill in all the empty pictures with the exciting stickers, that person has the right to exchange the book with gifts starting from Tupperware, 1 set of colored pencils, 1 notebook, and 1 set of stationery. Next is marketing plan. So in this business, now we from the Hello World team will sell our products using exciting social media and e-commerce. We will promote our product on Instagram at Hello World. Using social media such as Instagram will certainly make it easier for us to promote the product as well. Because currently Instagram is one of the platforms that has a very high potential to be able to hook buyers to the products we sell. Then from Instagram, in the Instagram bio, we will make the link tree that will direct the customer to the process of ordering the product. We will provide the WhatsApp number, sellers, and the buyer contacts as in WhatsApp business. And then the second option, they can also choose to order in Shopee as a place to sell our product. Okay, that's all from me. For the next material will be explained by Satya. Thank you.
Okay, Renal, thank you for the time. So next I will explain the logistic and operation plan. So in this business, our Hello company will use the house of one of our member team. That is Renal House as a base camp to work with. Meanwhile, Renal House is the most strategic place because it is located in the center of Singaraja city. So it is close to the place to produce the product that we sell, and also the package and manage all the things that our company needs. For the place to produce like the printing book and the sticker, we are still considering where we choose the place to print it. Maybe it will be a printing place around the Singaraja, or my friends who work in a studio in the Denpasar. That will be the second choice. Next, Renal. Next, I will explain about financial plan. This is the simple financial plan that we made. The first is the source of the fund. The source of the fund is our personal funds. We are three of us give 100,000 rupiah each, and then it will be our personal fund is 300,000 rupiah. About the spending plan, we are considering about internet quota, which is the money is 150,000 rupiah, and then the books production per unit, it may be 30,000 rupiah. Sticker production for one book, it around 30,000 rupiah. And then the gifts for the exchange when the book already full, it's our gift around 30,000 rupiah. Next, Renal. This is the balance sheet that I made. So our cash is total current cash we have so far is 300,000 rupiah, and then our total liabilities or our will be around 240,000 rupiah, and the residual income will be 60,000 rupiah. So our total asset will be 300,000 rupiah, and then total liabilities will be 60,000 rupiah. Next, Renal. Okay, that's all about our presentation regarding our business plan, Ms. Sarah and all my friends. We are say sorry if there are any mistake. Please apologize. Thank you.